Okay, so today we're going to learn how to make a QR code for $3. That's $0 at canva.com/your apps/QR code. Input that URL and it will pop up this window, which will say use an existing design or use a new design. Select use a new design. Under this, you have a list of presets that you can choose between, like presentation, resume, infographic, business card, whatever it needs to be. And you can create it with that template. Or you can select custom size like I just did, and you can put 500 by 500 pixels, and it will give you just that, an artboard that is 500 by 500 pixels. Now you'll see here that on this side, you'll have a field, and under URL, you'll type in whatever URL you want that QR code to go to. So nursing.msu.edu looks like that. But if I were to put, for example, about us, that looks completely different. Now, if I go back to where we were, I end up with the same code. Now, can we customize it? Yes. In Canva, you can customize the background color and the foreground color, as well as the margins that you would like the QR code to be in. So if you would like the QR code to be the Spartan green, for example, you can input that hex code down here and then generate QR code. Once you generate the QR code, you can make the QR code the size of your liking by grabbing one of the four corners and dragging. Now, how do we download it? You will press share. First, let's title this. So select the title where it says untitled, and then you will type in QR code, and then we'll go ahead and share it. This will make it easier to find once we actually download it. So let's select download, and then we are going to make it a PNG, but just remember that under file types, there are about 7 different file types that you can use depending on what the use case is for your QR code. So now we're going to select download, and once it downloads, it's going to give us a PNG file that is 500 by 500 and looks exactly like that.